Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to use Choose a Song feature on Instagram Story. If you see that your Instagram friend adds a questions sticker to his story asking for music recommendations, then you may easily suggest him a song. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can do it. Log into your Instagram account and go to the Home tab. Open someone's story where a person asks for a song recommendation. After that, click on the Choose a Song box. Now you can use the list of suggested songs or the search bar at the top of the screen in order to find a song that you want to recommend to your friend. Once the song is found, press on it. Now the only thing left to do is to hit the send button at the bottom of the screen. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use Choose a Song feature on Instagram Story. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.